All right, let's get started with spring twist. I know most of you guys know how spring twist look, and you can still check it out on the spring twist material. So today I would like to share with you this hairstyle, and I'm going to be doing it with my colleagues. It's called Afro Spring. Afro Spring. Yes, this can be done with everyone. That's what I can say. It's like for everyone, and it's very. It can be casual. It can be official. So I'd like you to give me your time. If it's your first time to be on this channel, please just click on that red button and ring the bell. And I'd like to welcome all the retired subscribers. Oh, sorry, the retired subscribers. Yes, thank you so much for loving Morris, the crochet master, and that is my name. I go by the names of Morris, the crochet master, on my personal account on Instagram, and still you can still follow Hair Zipper on Instagram for those nice pictures of hairstyle. The other one is just my personal account. Yeah, I like friends, I like sharing ideas, so you can go and follow me up so that we can chat more. Today we're going to see something that is very different, and know most of you guys have not yet done this before, and it's my creativity. So I always want to do the things I told you. I do it my way. Yes. So we're doing the spring twist, the material, and we're going to try to do something that is Afro spring. This time around, we have been doing the Afro hairstyle. If I talk about Afro, that means it is something like it's big, it's Afro, very big on the head. But this time around, I'm going to try to show you how to do a simple small volume Afro. Yes, that's how I'm going to call it, Afro spring. So let's get it on with this. Number one, I always tell you that inside cornrows are very nice. Inside cornrows, you should try to learn them because they make crochets last longer. So this is how you can keep on twisting the Afro spring. And most really we always do the puff cornrow. The puff cornrow help that when you're trying to style it, or after putting it there, it gives you a lot of styles, yes, that you might want to do after. Or maybe that those people would like to leave it at this side the way it is, like not very short. So if it's with these puff cornrows, it will always give you the positions and the way you can style it. So this is how you can see how my girls are twisting it, right? Yes, I told you I do it my way, and I do it with my colleagues so that we do a nice job. So this is how you keep on twisting it, and I know most of you guys know how to twist, right? So this is going to be very simple for you. Let's try to watch it, and then I show you what's next. Right, so when we get done with our twisting, the first thing we're going to do, we are going to try to pull this side hair. You make sure you pull it very soft, because remember we are on the hairlines, that those weak hairlines that you may not need to over pull it, like it's not good at all. So you just have to do the pinning from the sides. You can see how it is. And by the way, this hair is washable and you can repairing. That means you can wash it and then you refill. Yeah, you refill it and it still looks very nice and very new. I'm sorry, I'm having some flow, but I will make sure that we get to understand each other. So you just have to do it that way to style you to pin all the sides together. The way I've done this side is the way I do the other side. So let's do the cutting. Cutting here is very simple, though you just need to be attentive in that those it depends on someone's head shape, like when you're trying to cut. And most probably I always tell you that whenever you're cutting, try to mind the behind, like the behind, how it looks. Yes, because the behind is like it also gives you a credit if it is very smart and neat. So you should mind about the behind. Yes, the behind look. You can see how it I'm trying to trim it. And then when you're trimming it, you always have to leave not over trimming the behind, because when you do that, that means when someone is leaning on something or sleeping looking up, the hair might lose the shape. I think you understand what I'm trying to say. So it means there's the way that you have to overpack the behind, like you really do overpack, so that even if someone is leaning on something or sleeping, it won't lose the shape, it will still look good. So you should also mind about that. Yes. And you can see how I'm cutting the front. You make sure that what the side that you have cut behind is the one that you're going to cut in front. That's why I'm cutting one so that it just make itself. You know, there's some procedures that you're supposed to do the way they are. Trust me, because sometimes you see something and you just try to do it your own. Though it is nice, you can do it in your or at your own, but you should always try to try the one that you have seen first, and then after you can try to do it at your own. So this is how I try to trim it, and trust me, excuse me, I love this hair very much. I love this hair. Oh my god, I had forgotten Isabella from Carolina. Thank you so much for the gift that you gave me. Yes, a lot of people are learning, and I get some who appreciate, and thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Yes, so now this is how we have to do this cutting. You can see how I've done it, and it is becoming nicely. So I'm trying to show her hair, like maybe when she wakes up very early in the morning and it's all shabby, the way she's supposed to they were supposed to keep them looking nice, because those are the things that you should always have to tell your client. So this is how the work looks, and trust me, it is very nice. I would like to give you this video, and I know more are going to come concerning about this Afro Spring, because I've realized that it is very nice and it lasts longer, yet it can be plated any age, like everyone can do it. So I love you so much. Though you cannot do this hairstyle when your sides are broken. Yes, that's what I can say. So for now, let me sign out, guys. See you in my other next video. Bye bye. See you there.